5 Key Practices for Successful Agile Scrum Implementation. Agile Scrum is a popular project management framework that focuses on delivering value to customers in a flexible and iterative approach. We will explore 5 key practices for successful Agile Scrum implementation, providing valuable insights and tips for Agile teams looking to optimize their workflow and achieve project success. Embrace Agile principles. To effectively implement Agile Scrum, teams must fully embrace the core principles of agility, such as customer collaboration, responding to change, and delivering working software in short iterations. Conduct regular stand-up meetings. Regular stand-up meetings, also known as daily scrums, are essential for keeping the team aligned, informed, and focused on project goals. Implement iterative development. Agile Scrum emphasizes iterative development, where teams deliver working software in short and frequent increments. Monitor progress with burn-down charts. Burn-down charts are valuable tools for tracking project progress, visualizing work remaining, and identifying potential roadblocks. Empower and support the Scrum team. Empowering and supporting the Scrum team is crucial for creating a high-performing and self-organized team. Conclusion. In conclusion, by following these 5 key practices for Agile Scrum implementation, teams can optimize their workflow, enhance project delivery, and achieve greater success in their Agile projects.